you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar by Target. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So Target always comes out with the 12 Days of Beauty. I've gotten it a few years in a row, and I think this year's the earliest that I've seen it out. I saw it in the store and I'm like, is that the right one? Is that the Christmas Advent Calendar? I was a little confused because it definitely doesn't look like it would be, but it definitely is. This box is $19.99 and it says that it has a value over $49 right there. It is all wrapped in plastic, and I'm really excited to see what is in this one. If you're looking for a budget-friendly advent calendar, this is definitely the cheapest one that I believe I do or I get. But it's a good way to give it to a gift if you're on a budget, or if one of your kids or your daughters, sisters, anybody like that would need it for a friend to give a gift. This is a good thing for only $20, and if you use your Target card, you save 5%. So here's what it looks like. Here's the packaging, and it's 1 through 12 with these little perforated doors that you do open. So same style as the other years. So let's go ahead and go in with door number 1. So let's get this guy. Like it was just gonna shake out. Nope, they have to make them so difficult to get out. Let's see. I need my knife. And last year I did unbox the Rick and Morty and the Nightmare Before Christmas sock advent calendar that Target has. And I will show you right here. I took a little video for you guys to show you what my local Target has. There's so many different sock advent calendars this year. There's even one that had a hamburger on the front of it. I'm like, what? But there's tons of them available in store and online if you would like to check them out for Christmas gifts as well. So indoor number one was Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Very Black. So you have a black mascara, and that's the wand. So there's item number 1. Number 2. So number 2 is Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. I've seen a lot of this brand for like lotions and stuff like that, but I haven't seen one for a gentle daily scrub. And this is for all skin types. So you have that. Number 3. Ooh, it looks like Pixie by Petra is up in this door. I can get it out. There we go. So this is the Pixie by Petra Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. And it has a lotion in the toner as well. I can't wait to try that guy. And one thing that's good is when you get things like this, you get to try them out. And then if you want to get the full size, you can. But at least you're going to have a lot of cool little products to try out and test. So number 4. So this right here is a Pure Glow Cleansing Balm. Contains vitamin C, Wild Arctic Cloudberry, and this is a 15 milliliter, 0.5 fluid ounce. So there's that guy. Now we're gonna go with number 5. Is this bigger door over here. So, all right. So this is a Real Technique. I can't talk today. It's for face. It says Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge for Foundation and BB Cream. So there is that guy. So now let's find number 6 is this long guy over here. And this is a waterless rose and peach. Alcohol free, paraben free. This is a fragrance mist. Oh, so it says touch activated scent. Now I don't like rose, but I do like peach. I don't know how a rose and peach would smell together, but it says shake well, spray all over hair. So it's to make your hair smell good. So if you don't wash your hair and you want it to smell good, you can spray this in your hair and at least have it smell good. So there's that. That is a nice thing to have because then you can make your hair smell good. So now number 7. Now this is a Main Magic 10-in-1 primer with argan oil and sunflower seed oil, 10 benefits, 1 miracle formula. And I believe I've gotten this before and it's for your hair, but it says, simplify your styling routine with this 1 miracle potion using the Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. Give your hair its daily dose of vitamins and nutrients. So yes, this is definitely for your hair. And that's a good size for a hair product. So there's that guy, and it's a spray bottle. So now let's go with number 8. There we go. And this is Mighty Marshmallow Bright and Radiant Whipped Mask. I really like Bliss, but I have not tried a Mighty Marshmallow. So that's really neat. Telling you, something's wrong with my speech today. That's what it looks like inside. And it's a whipped mask. So it says directions, smooth a thick layer onto your clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 5 to 15 minutes, rinse thoroughly, and bask in your own radiance. Use 2 to 3 times per week. So there's that guy. That's really neat. That's a good product, and I like Bliss products. So now let's go with number 9. This is a little tiny guy, La Roche-Posay. I'm not quite sure. This is a serum, and it says hyaluronic acid. This is a very, very tiny little guy here. Extreme, just says external use, sample not for sale. So it doesn't have like directions on what to do with it, but it says a serum and it has a B5 on the front of it. So now we're going number 10. We're almost done with our 12 days of beauty. Oh, the case. Now we got bigger. Ooh, and it's EOS. I love EOS. Let me get my knife. There we go. So this is a Shea Butter Hand Cream in Pink Citrus by EOS. And again, I love all of EOS products. Their lotions, the lip products, all of that I really, really like. So I'm so glad to see this in here, Shea Butter. And that's a perfect size to toss in like your purse, your gym bag, your desk, wherever, your nightstand. So number 11. Number 11, you have Colab Dry Shampoo Original. Amazing oil absorption without white residue. 10 out of 10 performance is what it says on the top, and that is the actual product. So you have a dry shampoo, and mainly anytime I get dry shampoos, I save them and I donate them to the women's shelter. So I will go ahead and put that in my women's shelter donation pile. And the last item in here, you guys, this is from Soap and Glory, and it says One Heck of a Bolt. This is a primer, Intense Perfecting Powder Primer. That's really cool. We get a primer. This is a 15 ml, 0.5 fluid ounce, but that's a good size for a primer. So there's Soap and Glory. So that is everything that came in this advent calendar, you guys. So a quick recap. We have the primer. We have the Bliss face mask. We have a dry shampoo, a hair fragrance spray. We have the EOS hand soap. We have a full-size Real Techniques blending sponge. You have the cleansing balm. You have the daily scrub, the Hair Miracle 10-in-1. You have the Pixie by Petra toner. You have this serum, and you have a mascara. That is a whole lot of products, you guys, for $19.95. Plus you have the joy of opening up 12 boxes with the unknown of not knowing what's inside. And yeah, that's everything that came in here. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, have you seen these? Have you got them before? Do you want to? Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think it's a good value? Do you like the items that are inside? I think this was pretty good. Going off of my memory from last year, I want to say that some of these items in here are better because like you have a full-size blending sponge, you have a Bliss product, you have a primer. There's some really cool products in here this time. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the items that were in here? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.